Alright guys, so today we're gonna be showing y'all Alright guys, so today we're gonna be showing you how to get infinite company coins. So let me put this into first person and let's go. So first of all, you have to go into the snowboard map. You have to go all the way down to the bottom.
But you need banana chips also so you can clip through the floor.
But you don't have to. Anyways, let's just get rid of this. We won't be needing that. So, we're gonna be going this way.
Yo, bro, it keeps stopping me. Wait.
I know it kind of looks a little glitchy for you, but just trust me. Just go to the very bottom. Don't turn left or right for anything. And yes, you can actually get infinite company coins after this. I think you either have to leave your game and rejoin and then just do it again, or you have to just join a different lobby. Picking up some speed here. Crazy speed.
Can you wait for me?
Yeah.
Wait for me, twin.
Bro, I'm gonna be at the bottom waiting for you. I'm gonna wait for you at the bottom.
Okay.
By the way, this is Party Noob, another one of my co-mates.
Excuse me, sir.
Wait a second. Did he just say? Excuse me, sir. That must be someone. No, we don't want to get copyrighted.
Excuse me, sir. My person. You're about to see you.
I am a monkey. Me and my monkey. See, we're heading up. I don't know if y'all see it, but it's right over there. I can see it. Oh! You could also touch these things or those. Yeah, a little bit of a boost. Maybe not a little bit! So just put that on your back. So this is the special snowboard you get once you complete the game. Because you literally complete the game. You can also look at the back. It's signed by Wooster Games. This is all the developers and stuff. I think all of the stuff on the back is just all of the stuff.
Are you at the bottom waiting?
Yeah. So, yeah, it's
Yeah, I'm
cool.
slow.
No, I see you.
Yeah, I'm trying to get some.
And yes, this is the OG map we all want. But, who's going in on?
Hi guys!
Yeah, this is Party Noob. Okay. I'm pretty sure it's 008. Yeah, Party Noob 008. So follow me. Let me show you the secret way. Is usually you have to do some random dumb stuff to get in here, and you have to go for the TV. But I don't know if they actually patched it this update. They might have.
Go up here. There's a hole.
Oh, they didn't patch it. Yay. That means y'all can still get free animal coins. So do it while you can.
Now, wait. I need to go grab an item.
I need to grab an item. Wait.
And
So
yes,
I can like get every single one.
Actually, get something here. Wait, can you buy me a hook shot?
It won't work in there though. It doesn't work in there for some reason.
Alright, that's fine. We don't really need anything. Oh, big broccoli? Oh, that's so smart. Yeah, this guy, I didn't know that, but it's really smart if you bring some big broccoli. I think we're good, Ka. We don't know.
Okay.
All right,
I don't have a hook shot though. Well, I
You don't
don't
have it
I
unlocked.
can't really do it. No, I do. I mean, like, I said it wrong. Like, I'm on cooldown for buying stuff right now.
That's okay. So basically, you just want to climb to the, basically the tippy top, and then there's gonna be this little hole. It's not that hard to get to. You just gotta pinch climb. And then you just crawl in. You go down. Make sure not to go out. You see this big purple thing? Jump inside it,
Whee! And then, yeah.
and then
Alright, move real quick.
you're gonna be here. You see these little things? Go to them. You get like 4 animals. Wait for me. Wait. Let me use them.
Alright, only one. Do you want 1 or 2?
2. So then you can just move around here.
You're glitched out.
Ah. I turned back small. Alright, so then you continue going this way. Sorry. Anyways, you just continue going, collecting these stuff. And once you collect too much, then you start only getting 1 per. So, it's a decent. But hey, it's infinite company coin. So, I think it's a
It
better.
just takes a long time to get a lot.
No, I fell. Also, there's checkpoints. So you can get to checkpoints. Oh, I was going back. Ooh.
Yeah, I don't really need coins, so I'm just gonna get to the end.
I keep on falling. Also, wait. You just continue going. Then it eventually stops giving.
Wait for me, twin.
And there's the goofy offering.
Wait for me, bro.
And then there's the crazy red button. Doom. Now, you press this button. Well,
Wait. Hold on, before you press it.
The optimization for Robux and company coins.
here we make it. Ah! And yeah, it does all the sequence. It doesn't always work. The Vine Boom sound effect. Yep. Well, yep, Vine Boom sound effect again. Alright, well, that is that, folks, and hope y'all get a lot of company coins. I'm pretty sure there is a daily limit to how much you can get. Like
I don't
200?
think there is.
I'm not sure though, but well, that was it for today's video. Hope y'all get a lot of the company coins and have fun. Also, if you're wondering, no, you cannot grab these. You have to buy them from here. And they're basically like a reskin of the pogo stick.
Yeah, but it sucks. It's like a pogo stick, but worse.
But you can still do this. Yeah. Wait, I want to become big.
Nah. Hello, kid. Yo, bro.